How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Welcome to another All About RVs. Today I had a reminder and an important thought that I had on my mind and on my heart that I wanted to share with you guys from this week. A little bit more of a personal video for this week. I actually had a different video planned and I was working on it about more RV products and gear and stuff like that. And but this week, my grandma passed away at 100 years old. It's not like it was a surprise, but just times like that can shift your perspective or help you remember the things that are truly important. So it just didn't quite sit right with me to put out another video this week that was like, here's another piece of RV gear. I wanted to do something just a little bit different. So the thought that I had this week as I was thinking about the family memories and what's important to us and thinking about what I'm doing here as I'm putting out videos, the thought was that gear is not the point. Yes, gear can open up a different way of traveling or a different experience or a different way to enjoy what is out there for RVing. But it's not the point, it's not the focus. Or at least it shouldn't be the point or the focus. Really, my hope is for all the videos that we put out there on gear and how to use it and how to set up your RV and the simple things and the more complicated things, I really hope that it just helps you to have the RV process be more enjoyable so you can get out there and make those memories. Get out to that place that you've always wanted to explore or have that adventure or enjoy that place as a couple or to have those memories as a family. That's really the hope behind all of the tutorials and the gear reviews and the things like that behind it. When I look back and think about the memories or the things that are important to me, I look back and I think about the people that I spent the time with or the adventure that we went on or the thing that we did together. It's the time together that was the important part. The gear is in the background. That's not important at all. It's the memories that I have with my family and my friends and going out and enjoying that time. So it's the long way to say that as we talk about gear and we look at products that help us get out there and go RVing, the point is not the gear. The point is getting out there and enjoying the time with the people that you love and spending time together as a family and enjoying that process. So I hope that everything that you see on this channel points you in that direction. You don't always need a new piece of gear to get out and do that. Oftentimes you just need to get out and enjoy that time together. So that's just kind of what was on my heart. I hope that helps kind of frame why we do so much gear reviews and how-tos and just wanting to help people get out there and make more of those memories. So I think that's gonna do it for today. That was just the thought that I wanted to share with you guys this week. Of course, there's gonna be more videos coming out about RVing stuff because that's what we love to do, help people get out there and enjoy that process. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you next video.